Do you want to make money online? You can start a YouTube channel for free. Imagine an automated channel generating passive income daily. This video shares a step-by-step method using AI tools. First, pick a profitable niche that generates interest. Use AI to create engaging scripts easily and produce stunning logos and voiceovers. Editing becomes simple and you can design attention-grabbing thumbnails. Then publish your content and watch the views soar. What makes this method unique? It's free, beginner-friendly, and lets you launch your channel today. Imagine earning money while you sleep from a self-running channel. So why wait? Dive into this video and kickstart your journey to financial freedom. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe for updates. Imagine waking up to increasing revenue without effort. With strategic steps, you can build a content-rich channel that resonates globally. Start with keyword research tools to explore trending topics. Use AI-driven generators for scripts tailored to your audience's interests. Combine your content with user-friendly editing software for smooth transitions. Craft catchy thumbnails that promise value and entice viewers. Each piece of content bridges you closer to financial success through consistent engagement. Turn your ideas into reality today. Embrace the freedom of an automated channel. Let AI do the heavy lifting while you focus on creativity. Your journey to financial independence starts now. Engage authentically with viewers to build a loyal community supporting your vision. Every step optimizes efficiency, minimizing costs. As your channel thrives, enjoy not only financial rewards but also a platform for your creativity. Enter the automation realm where essential tools are at your fingertips. From niche selection to content generation, AI reshapes online success. Leverage innovative strategies to secure your future while sharing your passions globally. Embrace the journey and witness your dreams unfold through your automated YouTube channel. In this digital age, launching a YouTube channel is more accessible than ever. Imagine brainstorming niche ideas over coffee, effortlessly expanding creativity with AI tools. Explore exciting themes that drive your passion, sustaining motivation to create consistently. Once you identify your niche, leverage AI to craft unique scripts. Collaborate with AI to produce compelling narratives that resonate emotionally. Consistent content creation is key, and these tools help maintain a regular flow. For technical enhancements, polish your voiceovers to captivate your audience. Use AI voice synthesis for professional sound, presenting clear, engaging narratives. Combine stunning graphics to keep viewers hooked and increase engagement. Effective storytelling matters. Relate personal anecdotes for connection. Developing a content calendar can strategically plan uploads, keeping your approach fresh and relevant. Once scripts are finished, enter the editing phase where AI shines. Embrace user-friendly software for seamless footage assembly, enhancing visual storytelling. Experiment with styles and formats while keeping your brand identity intact. Intentional edits significantly affect viewer retention. Every video matters. Seek feedback from peers for fresh perspectives and continuous improvement. This refinement contributes markedly to channel growth. Next, focus on thumbnails, your channel's first impression. Create visuals that promise value, capturing the essence of your video. Experiment with color and typography for eye-catching designs. A compelling thumbnail can boost click-through rates, increasing views and revenue. Once thumbnails are set, optimize for search engines. Craft engaging titles with relevant keywords for visibility. Use concise descriptions to summarize content and attract trending searches. Thoughtfully tag videos to improve discoverability. Engage viewers through comments to build interest and community. The combination of strategies enhances organic reach for your channel. In summary, starting a successful YouTube channel with AI involves niche selection, engaging scripts, captivating voiceovers, and optimization. Designing appealing thumbnails and employing effective editing techniques builds your online presence. Regularly engage with viewers using their feedback to cultivate a vibrant community. Embrace technology, nurture creativity, and let your financial freedom evolve naturally. Your dreams of online success are within reach. In YouTube's dynamic realm, creativity ignites your journey. Discover a niche that captivates your audience while aligning with your interests. Explore trending topics that resonate. That alignment ensures your passion shines through, maintaining motivation for consistent content creation. Leverage AI tools to analyze trends and generate niche-specific suggestions. Merge human creativity with AI insights for innovative content. Adapt to audience interests for greater growth and connection. With your niche recognized, dive into script writing. Collaborate with AI for engaging narratives that resonate. Balance information and entertainment, keep viewers intrigued. Utilize a conversational tone, inviting viewers into a dialogue. Evoke emotions, making your content memorable. Personal anecdotes enhance connection, making content authentic. Editing is pivotal for engaging your audience. Utilize intuitive software for seamless integration of scripts, visuals, and audio. AI enhances editing, ensuring fluid flow and captivating viewer attention. Experiment with effects to create immersive experiences. Aim to keep your audience invested in your content. Don't underestimate impactful titles and descriptions. Create enticing titles capturing essence and including keywords. Summarize topics and descriptions, boosting discoverability while setting viewer expectations. Next, invest time in quality AI voice synthesis for clear, professional narration. Experiment with tones that resonate with your audience. Blend audio seamlessly with visuals for engagement, focusing on precise delivery timing. Editing shapes your videos. AI simplifies content assembly. Incorporate smooth transitions, engaging overlays, and effects for storytelling enhancement. Each edit enriches relevance and maintains interest. Polished videos attract loyal followers. Create powerful thumbnails that attract potential viewers while embodying video essence. Play with colors and contrasts to stand out. Include thrilling text overlays highlighting key points, enticing viewers. Strive for consistent style reflecting your channel's identity. Building brand recognition elevates your presence on crowded feeds. Use data analytics to know your audience. Engage metrics. Watch time, likes, and comments to enhance content strategy. Experiment with live streams or collaborations to keep your channel dynamic and adaptable. Stay receptive to feedback. Your audience's insights are invaluable. Your automated channel will thrive, becoming a place for creativity and inspiration. Persistence is key in this journey. Commit and innovate, and your efforts will be rewarded. Foster community through engagement. Respond to comments, elevating personal connections. Initiating conversations about feedback strengthens relationships, transforming viewers into dedicated fans eager for your content. Host live sessions to deepen connections, showcasing your genuine self. Collaboration with creators in your niche broadens reach and brings fresh perspectives. Guest appearances, projects, or shout-outs benefit both parties. Promote videos on social media to increase visibility, capturing wider audiences. Sharing your journey inspires others and builds a presence, enhancing your YouTube growth. Your journey extends beyond financial gains. It's about connecting with like-minded people. Craft an automated YouTube channel. Every upload has transformative potential. By blending creativity with technology, you foster a community eager to engage, learn, and grow alongside you. Stay dedicated, push boundaries, and let your dreams unfold. Optimize your channel across platforms. Share video snippets on social media for new viewers. Engage with followers through tailored posts. Use hashtags to connect with relevant conversations in your niche. Fostering interactivity solidifies loyalty. Audiences become part of your journey. This synergy with social media amplifies engagement and growth in the digital content world. Consistency is vital. Set a routine for posting. Analyze the best engagement timings for strategic scheduling. Celebrate milestones with your community. Each video affirms shared passion and creativity. Now, transform your YouTube aspirations into reality. Each step cultivates skills enhancing your channel's appeal and fueling creativity. Embark on a journey of automated YouTube where creativity meets consistent growth. You're crafting a legacy that resonates with many. Online success is truly within reach. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe to stay updated.